Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So I decided to do a Princess Ariel version on my channel because why not? I had the costume and everything, and I thought it would be great to film like the type of makeup she could wear for the pink dress, because we always like to change it up, you know, like I don't know, it's just fun when you're into cosplay and me like princess stuff. And I know Halloween's a ways from now, but gotta start planning now, I guess. So I'm just making my skin glowy, but then I'm using this powder foundation and this gorgeous cosmetics foundation mixed together because that gives me a very princess-like skin. Carving out my eyebrows. I will be wearing a wig later. The wig isn't bright red like Ariel's, but I do see a lot of cosplayers making their hair slightly darker, I guess, to be more realistic, even though she's a cartoon. But I just like the way it looks like with the darker tone. So yeah, and I'm just giving myself an all perfection base. I really don't know how to do this voiceover right now because I feel like it's been so long since I've talked to you guys and it's weird, and I'm sorry that I haven't really been uploading, but with all this crazy stuff going on in the world, it's just been hard to come up with ideas. And I do have plenty of ideas, trust me. It's just like me having to get props for it, me ordering stuff, or me going to the store is kind of like not possible right now. So that's why I did one of these tutorials. But of course, my nostalgic videos are coming. I'm going to be doing some cute hairstyle videos, like 90s blowout hair and everything like that, because I know you guys really like when I do stuff like that. Or I'm going to do another curly routine, like a mermaid hair type of video that's coming soon, and it's definitely going to be like a throwback, like an 80s inspired hairstyle. I'm so excited to do that. So those are all coming up in the near future. Just give me the time, and I'm very thankful for your patience. Obviously, I just am concealing my face. That's nothing new on this channel. I always use concealer, never skip it. Okay, now I am setting my face with the airspun powder. Obviously, I've been doing this for so long. I'm just sticking to airspun. It's affordable. I love the Laura Mercier powder, but I just can't get myself to consistently spend like that $37 on powder. You know what I mean? Not in these trying times, at least. So right now I am just carving out my brows. We're going to give Ariel some nice brows. So I'm just making them more red than my hair because, well, my hair's pretty red here, but like not bright red. But yeah. So now I'm just giving myself a white base, as we are going to be putting yellows in there. And pinks, I'm pretty sure. So we're giving ourselves a white base. I just felt like this would complement the red really great. I'm using the ditocosmetics Galaxy shade palette, and I'm using this yellow right here for the inner corners of my eyes, and I'm doing the same to the other eye. And I don't know why I thought yellow. I just feel like it complements red. I'm not thinking about Ronald McDonald, but I'm just saying that it looks great with the other color I'm going to use, which is this one right here. And just the two look kind of like a sunset, and I feel like Ariel is from that place where they have nice sunsets. I don't know what I was thinking, but this is what I came up with. I felt like it looks great with the princess dress that I'm going to put on later. So I'm just winging that out, and this is going to be very simple as well for all of you who don't have like prime makeup skills. I don't even think I do. I just think that I film myself because I like to. I don't know, I'm just rambling at this point. So I'm just using a cranberry reddish color because I feel like it looks great with the yellow, like I was saying before. This also works as like a nice fall look if you don't want to be Ariel. But yeah, I'm just running that underneath the lash line as well. And I think I do put a little bit of yellow in my inner corner as well. Yeah, I just touched that up. And I'm not going to do a black winged liner. I'm actually going to do white liner in the water eye to give myself a more cartoonish appearance. The reason I'm not doing black eyeliners is I did that in the first Ariel video, and I want to change it up. So now I'm just taking a champagne color and putting this in the inner corners. Also, I am just using the ditocosmetics Galaxy shade palette. I love their palettes. They're super affordable, and they're just great. So like I said, skipping liner, just going straight into the lashes, and I'm going to put some falsies on. You know, when I did the intro where I'm Ariel, when I have the wig on, that was 7 hours after I filmed the tutorial. So my makeup did get a little crazy. Like the eyelashes are going to look way better when I put them on right now versus when I have the dress on and everything. I had to go to work. My schedule is so crazy. Like, I barely have time to do anything. But if you see a slight shift in difference, that's why. And I'm also putting pink blush all over my cheeks to give myself that princess glow. I always do an excessive amount of blush because when I go to Disney parks, I always see the princesses have a lot of blush on their face. And this is just to look more cartoon-like. So I'm using these lashes from Lens Village. They're called the 02 lashes, I think. So as you can see right here, they're on really nice, and then I come back 7 hours later. So yeah, I tried keeping my makeup looking gray as long as I possibly could. So I'm sorry guys if it looked a little bit like not touched up, but that's how the eyes are supposed to look. And I'm taking some of this shimmering champagne color and just highlighting my nose only. I feel like a lot of Disney princesses at the theme parks also highlight their nose. But that's the eyes. They look really nice right here. And then, yeah, I'm using my favorite lip color for princesses, which is the FOXYBAE's 07 Chestnut. It's just the perfect pink shade. I love this. Also, FOXYBAE cosmetics are very affordable as well. This video is not sponsored at all. I'm just telling you guys these cosmetic companies that are really underrated, that are amazing. But look at this lipstick. And it's also very hydrating. It doesn't chip like kind of like a few other liquid lipsticks I know of. But there we go. That's the beautiful pink lip color that we did. And we're almost done, but something's missing. I'm not looking as Ariel-like right now. And I think it's because we need contact lenses. So these lenses right here are from the Lens Village, and they're the KAZZUE Angel Blue lenses. They're beautiful and super natural. I had really dark brown eyes, and they did the job. Everything will be linked below, but I hope you guys enjoyed this Princess Ariel tutorial. Let me know what you would like to see next. All right, bye.